Hello guys! Dude Plays Minecraft here, back with another video, and today I will be doing a Lego tutorial. So, for this Lego tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to make a coin bank. Yes, so you can put your coins in there and then you can also take them out. Now it's a very simple design. If you do not have the same colors as me for the pieces, that is okay. It does not matter what color you choose as long as you have the same bricks. Now, we'll start off by getting a 6x8 base plate. Then you want to place that down right there, okay? Then you want to grab 6 of these smooth 2x2s and place them in the middle like so. And as you can tell, guys, recently I uploaded 3 videos in one day. That is because I just wanted to kick off my YouTube channel and start it off so that way you guys have something to watch. So I gave you guys something to watch by me kicking off 3 videos in one day, so you guys have plenty of videos to watch while I make my new other videos, because this is a brand new channel. So I felt like, why not upload 3 videos in one day to kick off my channel? That way everyone can have something to watch while I set up other videos. So then you want to grab 2 1x2 smooth pieces, place them here and here. Okay, that's a little bit tough. Alrighty, so we're going to zoom in on that. Hold on, let's bring that closer. Alrighty. Then next what you want to do is you want to grab a 1x6. Place it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Place it right there. Then grab a 1x2. Place it right there. So basically just make one layer around, except for that where those pink pieces are. Oopsies. I made a mistake, everyone. Sorry. Move these pink pieces up 1. Alright. Sorry, guys. Let's quickly try and get this fixed. Move all those smooth pieces ahead 1, guys. Okay, move them up 1. Alright. Let's fix you. Fix you. So this is how it should look, actually. Move this up 1. Sorry, guys. Alright. You want to move all these up 1. Sorry. Alright, let's fix that. There we go. So it should look like this. Then you make one layer of bricks all the way around. Right here. Like that. Then they like that. Like that. And like that. So it should look like this so far. Okay. Then next what you want to do is you want to go ahead and grab a you want to make this sort of piece, which I will show you. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab this piece. You're going to grab the same amount, exactly the same amount of that. Okay, 6 of these, whatever, 2 of those. And then you're going to place them in a certain order, which I will now tell you. But just before I tell you, you're going to grab a 1x4 block and place it right there. Focus. Alright, I'm going to put that off to the side over there. Then we're going to move this in. So what you want to do next is you want to grab this and place one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here. So that should fit in there like that, okay? Then you want to grab your 2 pink pieces, place them right here and right here. So now we have 2 separate pieces, this piece and this piece. So you want to combine those together, man, like that, and voila! Voila. Let's focus on that. Get a great focus. Boombo. Big bingo, kadoombo. Slide it out like that. And this is where it's going to be sliding in and out. So next what you want to do is you want to grab two 1x2 flats. Can we get a focus on that right there? Like that. Okay, two of those. Then you want to grab your thing and place them right here. 1 and 2. Oh, come on. 1, 2. Like that. Now let's get a focus on this entire machine. Alright, like that. Now I gotta hurry up here, guys. Can't waste any time at all. So then next what you want to do is you want to go ahead and just do one more layer around like this, like so. Do another layer all the way around here. We're gonna need that there, bingo, perfect, nice, cool little design. And then you are going to get, here we are, another whole layer on top. But leave this one area clear right here. Oopsies, hold on. We need this. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Alright. Fill this in. Hold on, let's use some bigger bricks here. Fill that in there. I can't afford to waste any time, because when I gotta do my outro, I gotta do my outro, guys. So if this is badly edited because I failed at an outro or something, I am sorry. Alrighty, so let's build up this entire layer here. Alright, what else? Use that brick and use that brick. Nice. Now it should look like this. And then the next thing in step you want to do, oh sorry, actually remove these two bricks. You want to replace those two bricks with these pink stairs. So just let me grab some of those and place them right there, like so. Then you want to place that back in, and voila. Then you want to grab another big long piece, like okay, you guys are gonna need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're gonna need a 1x6 piece. So I'm just gonna break that one off from the bottom right here, and then I'm gonna replace that with these bricks right here, and voila. So, oops, sorry you guys can't see. So fill that back in like that. Bingo. Voila. Shove that back in there. Then grab your piece and place it on top. So far it should look like this. Being able to open, close, looks like this. Hollow on the inside right there. Like that. That goes in, closes up, looks nice. Then next what you're gonna do is you are going to build up another layer of bricks. So let's do that now. Oh guys, I just thought of an idea. You know I run out of time sometimes? Well, I just thought of something. If I run out of time, I'll do the outro, and then I'll make a part 2 of this if I have to. That is a great idea that I just came up with. Alright guys, we don't got much time on our hands. We gotta hurry up. So basically, what you want to do next is you want to grab for the next layer, what you want to do is you want to leave one space open, like right here. Okay, so basically, what you want to do is you want to grab 1 by 6, and you want to place one of these smooth pieces right here, there. Okay, right there. Then you want to go ahead and place it right down on there and smack a root on. Then fill the rest of the bricks in around the edges. One of those, no, this will fit. Okay, so fill those in there with the bricks. Here we are. Get a few more bricks over here. Fill that in. Place 1 by 1 right there. And voila, boombo. Should look like that. Grab another piece, do another layer. But do not fill in where that one block is right there. Alrighty? You want to leave that. You want to leave that one space open. Get some more bricks. Bring them over. And let's continue building. Here and here. And they will. No, I know I have a 1 by 3 somewhere, but I don't know where it went. I think I put it away because I didn't think I would need it. Oh, here we are. 1 by 3. Voila, boom. It should look like that so far. Then you want to build another layer. Once again, do not build on top of that. There we go. Then you want to grab this piece, place it there, and place that there. Now just let me go quickly get a coin. So here I have a quarter. It's a collectible, but it doesn't really matter. What you're gonna do is you're gonna measure that. So we gotta go 1 more block high. So build another row of bricks. Okay, we're running out of time here, so I might have to make a part 2, guys, to this. So if I run out of time, guys, I'll do the outro, and I might have to make a part 2. But do not worry, I will make the part 2, and then I will post it on YouTube, and I will leave an annotation on this video. So, guys, if I have to end this before because I ran out of time, and I will leave an annotation. I'll do the outro if I run out of time, guys, and I'm basically very close to running out of time, so I might have to do the outro right now. And after I do the outro, I will leave an annotation so you guys can click on that and go to part 2 of this. So, guys, I'm going to do the outro right now. Hold on, let's measure this first. So, guys, what you want to do next is actually, no, guys, I think we can do this. We can finish this off. Where's that piece I need? Where'd that piece go? No. Where'd that piece go? Where did that piece go? I need that piece. Oh, shoot. Guys, give me 1 second. Oh, no. Where'd it go? That's okay. That's okay. Let's just use this. Okay. We are so close to finishing this, guys. We can make it. Actually, no, we can't, guys. Alright, so, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave an annotation right here to click on my YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button. And I'll leave the video right down here. Have an amazing day, and peace out. I'll see you all in part 2.